In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password of your Commonwealth Bank account if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then type in combank.com.au in the address bar and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Commonwealth Bank. Now click on the Log On button at the top right corner and then select your appropriate login portal from your account type. After selecting your appropriate portal, you will be asked to enter your login credentials. Now in order to reset your password, just click on I have forgotten my logon details. Once you click on this button, you will be asked to enter your account information to verify your identity. Just enter your debit card number followed by your card PIN. Then make sure to check the box which says I need to reset my NetBank password. Now click on the next button and you might need to verify your identity either through your email or your phone. After the verification is complete, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Just go ahead and set up your new password and then you can use your newly set up password to log into your Commonwealth Bank account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Commonwealth Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.